Are you dreaming of starting your own business? Perhaps a small factory setup? A place where you can manufacture products and build a brand? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into high-demand small factory business ideas, perfect for those using easy-to-operate machines, which keeps the barrier to entry low. First up, consider a custom sticker and label printing business. These are in constant demand across various industries. From product labels to promotional stickers, the market is vast. With a simple, user-friendly printing machine, you can produce stickers, labels, and even decals for a wide range of applications. The investment is relatively low, especially when compared to other business ventures, and the profit margins are often high, especially with custom designs. Next, let's explore a small-scale soap manufacturing business. Natural soaps are incredibly popular now, driven by consumers' desire for eco-friendly and skin-friendly products. You can start with a basic soap-making machine, which can be easily sourced, and expand your product line to include a variety of scents, shapes, and sizes. Focus on unique scents and ingredients to stand out, like essential oils and natural extracts. Moving on, think about a custom phone case printing business. Smartphones are everywhere, and so are the demands for personalized cases. This business leverages the popularity of smartphones and the desire for unique accessories. A heat press and a printer are all you need to get started. You can offer a variety of designs to cater to different tastes, from minimalist to elaborate, and even offer custom designs based on customer requests. Another excellent idea is a small-scale candle-making business. Candles are always in demand for various occasions, from everyday use to special events. With easy-to-use wax melters and molders, you can create beautiful and aromatic candles in various shapes, sizes, and scents. Explore different wax types and fragrances, and consider adding essential oils or decorative elements to enhance your products. This offers versatility and appeal. Let's not forget about a custom t-shirt printing business. Personalized t-shirts are always a hit, popular for everything from casual wear to promotional items. Invest in a heat press and a screen printing machine, and you are ready to go. Offer unique designs to attract customers, focusing on trending topics, popular brands, or custom designs. Then, how about a small-scale food packaging business? With growing concerns about food safety and shelf life, food packaging is crucial. You can start with a simple sealing machine. Focus on packaging snacks, spices, or other dry food items. Ensure your packaging is airtight and visually appealing. Finally, consider a custom button-making business. Buttons can be used for promotion, fashion, or craft projects. A button-making machine is easy to operate, and the demand is steady, especially for events or personalized gifts. These small factory business ideas all share one thing: they are achievable with easy-to-operate machines and offer good potential for profit. Remember to research your market thoroughly. Create a detailed business plan, and start small to minimize risk. Consider your target audience and the specific products you want to offer. Good luck, and happy manufacturing. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now.